Is your antivirus unable to remove Trojans? Don't worry, I've got just the solutions for you. Hi, my name is Manish, and today I'll show you a tool that can remove Trojans, even those your antivirus might miss. And the best part, you can use this tool on any Windows operating system, whether it is Windows 10, 8 or 11. Many of you might be wondering, why use a malware removal tool instead of Microsoft Defender? Well, some malicious software can disable your antivirus or be tough to remove through traditional methods. That's where this tool comes in handy. Here's how to do it. Press Windows R to open and then run command. Type MRT and hit enter. Now, you'll see the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Choose the option that suits your need. For a quick scan, select Quick Scan. If you want a thorough check, go for Full Scan. And if you know exactly where the problem is, choose the customizable option to scan a specific directory. Easy, right? With this tool, you'll keep your system clean and secure, even when your antivirus falls short. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.